Okay, fourth class. So on show, we have to colour the fraction of each shape. So we did this the last day. We did this yesterday, right? So 2/9. So we have to count up how many pieces we have altogether, count up our denominator, and then colour in our numerator, right? So all I have to do, so say for example, we'll go for this one. So actually no, we'll go for the middle one. So 6/9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. How many are we going to colour in? 6. Right? So I'm going to just colour this way. Okay, so 6 boxes we're going to colour in. 6 boxes. Alright? So we have 6 coloured in out of 9. Alright? So how many don't we have coloured in? How many don't we have coloured in? We have 3 out of 9 not coloured in, right? Okay, perfect. So exact same stuff with all this, so you should get that very handily. Put the correct sign in each box, alright? So what sign are we going to put in here? So 9/3 is something to 1/3. So what do we do to 9 to get the 3? What do we do to 9? We divide by 3 and we get to 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Okay? So are they the same fraction? Or was one bigger than the other? They're the same, aren't they? They're equivalent fractions. So they're the same fraction. Okay? What about this one? 9/1 is something to 1/3. So what do we do to 9 to get to 3? Same thing as over here, we divide it by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now we do the same to the top. So 1 divided by 3 is not equal to 1. So is it bigger or smaller? Which one is bigger fraction? So this one is 1/9, sorry. And this one is actually 3/9. So this one is bigger. Because we know 1/3 is equal to 3/9. Right? So 1/9 cannot possibly be bigger than it. Okay, so fill out those ones as well. Just type in the whatever, or if you find it easier to draw it, you can draw it as well. But whatever you find easier, just put in the value in there, alright? Okay, and then we colour the fraction of each shape down here. So we've 12ths here, right? So all I have to do is colour in the fraction, same as up here. I'll do one example for you. Okay, so 5/12. So we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 boxes. How many do we have to colour in? 5, alright? So it's colour in 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Simple, right? Colour in 5 boxes out of 12. So how many are left uncoloured then? What fraction are left uncoloured? 7 out of 12. Okay? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 12 not coloured in. Right? So exact same stuff with here. Okay, and then up here we have to complete these fractions on page 55 for 4th class, right? Page 55. So 1/9 of 27. So we know how to do this from yesterday. We have to multiply by the top, divide by the bottom. We know how to do this, alright? So we multiply on the top. Actually do it darker. Okay, so we multiply on the top and we divide on the bottom, alright? So 1 by 27 is 27, and then we have to divide 27 by 9, we get 3. Okay, easy. Okay, you know how to do this. This should be very easy for you. Okay, so do all these. You should have no problem with those. And then we have to use the division and the fraction methods to complete these. Alright, so we know the fraction method. Remember I taught you before? So we have, for example, 1/9. We have to, so by, and we have 27 And what do we say 27 was again? Over what? Over 1. Okay? So these should be very easy for you. And you should get these no problem. Okay? And then Farmer John had how many cows? Right? He had 54 cows and he sold 1/9 of them. So how many cows did he sell and how many had he left? So if he sold 1/9 of them, you have to find 1/9, and then how many had he left? So how are we what fraction of cows did he have left? What fraction? If he sold 1/9, what does he have left? He has 8/9, doesn't he? So he's 8/9 left over. So 8 over 9 is left over. So how are you going to calculate that? You're going to find 1/9, and what are you going to multiply that by? Alright, okay, do you understand? Okay, so that should be fairly straightforward for you. Right, okay, so if you have any problems, just contact me in Class Dojo and I'll try to help you as best I can. Right, okay, perfect.